Let us start number 11. In figure 6.40, triangle ABC is on line BC such that EF is perpendicular to AC, AD is perpendicular on BC. What is the data in figure? E is a point on side CD produced of an isosceles triangle ABC with AD equal to AC, AD perpendicular to BC and EF perpendicular to AC. To prove triangle ABD similar to triangle ECF. Say, find out which two angles are congruent, okay, in this given triangle. First we start with our data that given what in triangle ABC, AB equal to AC. You know that if two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are equal. So angle ABD or C equal to ACD or ACB. Okay. Now see from the diagram, select this two triangle ABD and ECF. In triangle ABD and triangle ECF, ABD angle B and ECF angle C. Angle B equal to angle C. From 1 we derived it. Okay. Angle EFC is 90, ADB is 90. Angle ADB equal to angle EFC, reason 90 degree. Okay. So by AD criteria, triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. Hence proved. 12 number. Sides AB and BC and median AD of triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. AD is a median. Median means it divides BC into two equal parts. You can say D is the midpoint of BC. In triangle PQR, PM is the median. So M is the midpoint of QR. QM equals to MR. So what is the data? In triangle ABC, AD is a median. In triangle PQR, PM is a median. Right? Right. Show that also given that sides AB and BC and median is proportional to PQ, QR and PM. AB upon PQ, BC upon QR, that is equal to median AD upon PM given. Sides are in same proportion. To prove what? Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. ABC similar to PQR. See. What is given? Find out this. What is given? Sides are in same proportion. Which three sides are in same proportion given? Write down this. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, given is what? AD upon PQ. equal to BC upon QR equal to AD upon PM given. Okay. Now see, D is the midpoint because AD is a median that we know. So midpoint means half. Half means we half this BC. BC का half करो. Half BC. अगर BC का half करते हो तो QR का भी करना चाहिए. Otherwise question will be changed. So here you can write half of cancel. Question remains as it is. Okay. So I multiplied and divide by half only in this. Why? Because I know that D is the midpoint of BC and N is the midpoint of QR. So half होगा. So AB equal upon PQ, that is equal to half of BC will be BD and half of QR will be QN. That is equals to AD upon PM. Now see from this, AB upon PQ equal to BD upon QN equal to AD upon PM. So by side, these two triangles are similar. So by S criteria, triangle ABD similar to triangle PQN. If these two triangles are similar, then three sides are in same proportion and three angles are corresponding angles are congruent. So I can write angle B equal to angle Q. Angle B equal to angle Q. Result number 1. Okay, we want to know ABC and PQR. Here angle B and angle Q are equal. Now from the same style, ADC similar to this, PMR. So similarly, here we take half BC upon half QR, that is BD upon QM. You can say DC upon MR also. Okay. So similarly, AB upon PQ equals to BD with DC upon MR equals to AD upon PM. See, half BC. Here we take half BC means BD. Half BC means BD. So you can take half BC means DC. So here I take DC. Half QR means QM. Half QR means also MR. So I take half QR means MR. So again, AB upon PQ, right? DC upon MR and AD upon PM. This side and this side are in same proportion, right? So in triangle, rather I can write directly also. Can you? एक काम करते हैं, ये छोड़ देते हैं. चलो. बराबर दो ट्रायंगल सिमिलर प्रूव करना और फिर थर्ड ट्रायंगल प्रूव करना, उससे बेहतर है मैं डायरेक्टली ABC और PQR ले लेता हूँ. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Is it okay? Because we are going to prove this. So in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, you know that angle B equal to angle Q that we prove in result number 1. And also given that AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR. AB upon PQ equals to BC upon QR given, and angle B equal to angle Q from 1. Is it okay? See, AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR and angle B equal to angle Q. So by SAS criteria, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. That's true. Right on this, we start 13 number. You can take a screenshot also. Number. D is a point on the side BC of triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. D is a point on side BC of triangle ABC such that angle ADC is equals to angle BAC. What is data? D is a point on BC such that angle ADC equal to angle BAC. So that CA square equal to CD into CD. See, we want to prove this CA square. So first simplify this CA square. CA square means I can write like this: CA into CA equal to CD into CD. So CA upon CD equal to CD upon CA. Okay? You can say this. I think shadow is there, so you can see like this. CA square, so I can write CA into CA. That is equals to CD into CD. CA takes CD this side, takes CA this side. So if you prove this, CA upon CD equal to CD upon CA, means sides are in same proportion. Okay? So for this you have to prove two triangles are similar. Now find out which two triangles we are going to prove similar. That is, we take this big one triangle ABC. In triangle ABC and triangle ADC. Okay? See, given in triangle ABC, angle BAC and angle ADC are same. Angle BAC equal to angle ADC. Given. Find out the another angle which is common. ABC, this triangle. This angle is common. ADC, this angle is common. I can write angle C equal to angle C, which is common angle. So, by AA criteria, triangle ABC similar to triangle ADC. Similarity means sides are in same proportion. I want this, so I take CA up here, CA upon CD. So you have to take like this: ABC is similar to ADC. CA upon, find out ABC. ABC. ADC. CD start with A, then B, then C. So here we should start with DCA. Right. So this will be what? B is not there. CB upon CB upon CA, that is equals to CA upon CD. Sides are in same proportion. So now take cross CA into CA. CA square equals to CB into CD. This is proved. So write down this 13 number. 14 is the most important. For exam point of view, 15, 16 are easy. Okay, so we will take a break.